Hey everybody, it's me Mark, and this is just a quick video to show you the screen protector, the privacy screen protector over here for my MacBook Pro M1 16-inch. And the reasons why I got that is that I don't always work from at home, so sometimes I really hate working from one place the whole time. I need a little bit of a like the diversity, right, to be able to work wherever I am. So sometimes I go to the park, or I drive up a hill and go and eat ice cream there, or something like that. And sometimes I just sit somewhere where a lot of people are going by. So anywhere where it's sunny, I like to work there. And the main problem is that a lot of people are walking around and they're looking at your screen. And because I have a lot of client stuff on my laptop, and I also have like the backend where my students are on the laptop, the CRMs and stuff like that, or other data, I don't want anybody to look at it, even though they probably might not understand what I'm doing. Okay, because I live in Austria and everybody knows German here, and I actually speak English, and all the stuff I do on my laptop is actually in English. So that's one reason why I bought one of these screen protectors. Another reason was that if I work at night, sometimes the screen doesn't dim down all that much. So that's the thing with this MacBook Pro 16-inch. It doesn't really dim down all that much, and it's like still too bright. So I got the screen protector over here because it dims the screen down just a little bit. It darkens the screen up a little bit, or darkens the screen down. So let me just unpack this screen protector and put it on this new MacBook Pro M1 16-inch laptop. So to do that, I'll just open this up over here so you can see what I'm doing. And let me just see if this is the if this is a good fit, how it and also how well it darkens the screen, how well it protects the screen. So the screen protector is in here. I was very careful not to buy the one that's glued. I got the one that without adhesive, the one with magnets. And one thing I read in the comments is that this is really not good if you're like tilting the laptop like this, because then it hangs down because the magnets are only on the top side. So if you take a look over here, you can see that the magnets are actually only on the top side, and there's no magnets in the bottom side. I don't know why. And because there's no magnets in the bottom side, it actually could hang and you can't see the screen properly. You probably can't read what's on the screen. So let me just test that out and see if that's really true. So what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna be opening this up, and I cleaned the screen of my MacBook Pro M1 16-inch before actually removing before applying this. So as you can see, it's actually very, very thin. And depending on the angle, you can see that you can't see through it, right? So if you're looking from the side, you can actually see through it. Okay, now let's just put this on the laptop. So I'll be putting this on top of the laptop, and there's like a little hole in the top where the camera goes through. So let me see. Let's put it in the laptop now. Okay, now I placed it on the laptop, and as you can see, it fits really, really well. But the problem is if you like hold it like this sometimes, then it goes like this, and you might not see the screen. So let me just brighten up the screen a little bit. And of course, there's always a way to fix that. So okay, so actually it is true. So if you like hold it like this, you can't see the screen. So you always have to have the screen like this, right? So one way to fix it is to actually clamp it in the bottom a little bit. The cool thing about the thinness of this screen thing, the screen privacy thing, is that you can actually close the laptop down, like so, right? And it actually goes to sleep, right? Because sometimes the screen protector is too thick and it won't close, the laptop won't close. So this laptop's actually asleep, and if I open it up, it wakes up again. So how do I fix this? So one thing you can do is actually add some kind of adhesive in the bottom that you can easily remove, right? Because if you want to keep it on anyway the whole time, then it doesn't really matter, right? This screen protector is actually easily removable. All I have to do is like pull it off because it's on magnets, and you can see that the magnets are only on top. Like there's a magnet over here, around this edge over here, and over here, and that's all where the magnets are. They should have like made this a little bit longer. So if the magnet strip were a little bit longer, then it would actually be a lot better, right? So, but it's not. Okay, so actually now oh no, it's not. Okay, so they should have made it a little bit longer. And I couldn't find a model or a version of this where it's a little longer. I could only find the adhesive ones, but I don't want to put adhesive on my screen because it's a very expensive laptop. Okay, so let me see how this works. So I'll just log in with my fingerprint over here. And let's just open up just any kind of page. So let me see, let's open up the Apple page, apple.com. Okay, so I've opened up the Apple page, and you can see that it's very visible from the front, right? So you can read everything like this, but if you turn it from the side, you can't see it, right? Okay, so this is really good, and it actually does brighten the screen a little bit, darken the screen a little bit. So actually, I could use this at night. So I'll try that out at night and see how dark it is. But I'm really happy with it, except for that it's hanging. And what happens if it's hanging? Can I still read the screen when it's hanging? Yes, I can still read the screen, but it's just a little bit blurrier. Okay, so I can read the screen, but it's just a little bit blurrier. So that's okay. That's okay for me. Okay. So let me fix this sometime in the future by adding some kind of tape or something like that to the bottom, something that I can easily remove. Okay, and then I'm actually good to go, because it's actually covering. There's a part of the screen in the bottom that doesn't actually have the LED display, so actually that's where I can actually put the I can actually tape it down in the bottom. So I'll go and buy some tape that I can put in the bottom of this, so it doesn't do like this. Okay, so this was my review of the screen privacy thing. As you can see, it works really well. You can see the screen like when I'm facing you, and if you look from the side, you can't really see it at all because it gets dark. That's something like, what do you call that filter? It's a polarizing filter, right? So that's something like that. Okay, so hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you're going to be getting something like this. Let me just check what company this is from. So the company is called, let me see, Senseage Official. So Senseage. Let me see. Okay, it's called Senseage Magnetic. Okay, so over here, as you can see over here, Senseage Official. Okay, Instagram. Okay, so thank you so much for making this product, Senseage. This video is not sponsored by them. I'm just making this video because it's the only one I found, and it also has a blue light cut. So it's actually good because it cuts out blue light at night, which lets you sleep better. But you shouldn't be working at night anyway. But I do. I don't know why. I shouldn't actually do this. MacBook Pro 2021 version, ultra slim, magnetic privacy, viewing angle 60 degrees, privacy protection, anti-glare, extra screen protection, image clarity, quick and easy installation, and a blue cut filter. Alrighty. So that's it for this video. Hope to see you soon. Take care and bye-bye.